Guys, how we are doing? Guys, today I'm making mango lassi. Mango lassi is made with you can use yogurt, you can use milk, any milk of your choice, but it's plenty of mango in there. So those are my 2 cups to be dressing my mango lassi with, and that is my chopped mango, and that is my, grated chopped cashew nuts and walnuts. You can use any nut of your choice. And that is my green cardamom powder. I just grate it. I just blend it with my coffee machine. So that is my chopped mango. That is the mango. I've put in all the blended nuts, cashew nuts, almond nuts, and a little bit of cardamom pond nuts and milk. Put in some honey, then I'm going to reblend it again. Okay, that is the honey. The honey goes in there. So guys, my lassi mango is ready to be served. I'm gonna pour it in the cup now. You can serve it with ice, or you can just drink it on its own like that. Okay, you can serve it with ice if you want, but down here it's a bit cold. We're in winter season, so I wouldn't put ice for now. But if you do this during winter, yes, you got to put ice. Okay, so I'm gonna garnish them with nuts. You can garnish them with any nut of your choice. Okay, that's walnuts. So I'm gonna garnish more, put in some cashew nut, which I've done before off camera. I'm gonna put more so you can see it. You can put pistachio nuts, any nut of your choice. I'm putting, this is walnuts and cashew nuts. Can you see it? Walnuts and cashew nuts. This is mango lassi, made with fresh milk. This is organic, homemade lassi, mango lassi smoothie. No preservative, no coloring. This is organic. This is genuine. This is authentic. You know, mango lassi you can make at home. You make sure of what you are putting in your stomach. There's no preservative, no color. I didn't put any color. This is just pure natural ingredients for this mango lassi. You can use any milk, you can use yogurt, but it's mango. Then you can use any fruit of your choice to garnish. I use walnuts and cashew nuts to garnish this drink, to garnish this smoothie. Can you see it? So I'm gonna put some flake powdered cashew nut on top of this. It's yummy, it's refreshing, it's delicious, it's healthy. You know, it boosts your immune system, boosts your energy. Look at that. Look at that. Homemade mango lassi. Guys, that is my homemade mango lassi. It's healthy. There's no preservative. There's no coloring. This is organic, natural ingredient, natural fruits. Okay? If you are in a hot country where it's very hot now, when you make this mango lassi, I will advise you, after blending them in your smoothie machine or your blender, put ice cube in the glass before you tip this blended mango and yogurt or mango and milk lassi on top of the ice in your glass. But here I reside, it's very cold. We're in winter, so I'm not putting ice. Okay, guys, the mango is from the fridge. The milk has been sitting down there in the fridge, so everything is a bit cold. Okay, finish, use any nuts you prefer. This is walnuts and cashew nuts. You can use pistachio nuts, you can use peanut, any nuts you fancy. Okay, guys, this is refreshing, healthy, boost your system. It's my mango lassi. You can garnish the lassi with mango chops as well, you know. It's a refreshing drink for the whole family, for the kids, for dad and mom, you know. It's healthy. Guys, I'm gonna be doing white lassi. White lassi is made of yogurt, white sugar, and milk. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of cashew nut powder and a little bit of cardamom, grounded cardamom powder. Okay, so that is my yogurt. I'm gonna be putting in the container. The yogurt goes in there. I put in the white sugar. Okay, so I'm gonna blend them all together. That is my white lassi blending. It's yogurt, milk, sugar. Then I put a little bit of honey, cashew nut powder. I put in there. Yes, that is my white lassi. My white lassi is ready. If you're in a hot weather, you first of all put in your ice cube in this glass before you start tipping it in. But because it's cold down here, I'm not gonna put ice cube. Okay, that is my white lassi. It's ready. Yummy. I'm gonna be using walnuts to garnish it. Walnut will go in there on top. You see my walnut powder and my walnuts will go in there. Then I can tip in a little bit of warm mango in there. Okay, that is my white lassi. If you like, you can just have it like that on its own without garnishing it with anything. Okay, guys, it's ready. Yummy, yummy.